Thank you very much for inquiring about this 2012 F-150 from Glenwood Springs Ford. I'm going to be taking you on a quick video tour, but I do want you to know that this vehicle is being sold as is. So what you see is what you get. We are not going to be taking it through our shop and doing any kind of repairs. You're welcome to take it to your own mechanic though and have it looked at. Let's go take a look. Could be a great deal for you. Hope you like it. Great to have the option to use this as a center console if no one's going to be sitting in this center seat. You got cup holders, and I'm not sure what this is for. It was a very small cell phone back in the day, I suppose. Heading over to the center stack, we have entertainment options from Sirius Satellite if you want to subscribe to that. You also have a CD player, the auxiliary ports down low, along with a USB port. With climate control, there's heated seats for both the driver and passenger. You have an integrated trailer brake right below your 2- and 4-wheel drive. Tow haul mode up top there. The steering wheel has voice command for telephone and audio, and there's cruise control here on the left. And the current mileage on the truck is 130,315 at the moment.